Hi, my name is Mohammad Saqib and I am semi-professional photographer and I welcome you to in my fourth video. Today I am using my Canon 60D with 75 to 300 mm lens and my today's topic is only about shutter plate and how to take picture with long exposure by using shutter speed. So let's start the video. So first of all, we talk about our shutter plate, which play an important role in photography. So remove your lens, push this button, and twist your lens. So this is our shutter plate. अब how does it work? As you can see, my shutter speed is 1 by 25. It means 25th part of 1 second. So now we check our setting. Our ISO as 6400, aperture 00, because we have no lens, so we change only shutter speed because our today's topic is only about shutter plate and long exposure photography. So I am taking my shutter speed is 1 by 80. It means 80th second of 1 second. 80th part of 1 second. Now I am taking a picture. As you can see, picture is taking more quickly. It take only 80th part of 1 second. Now I am decreasing my shutter speed to 1 by 20. As you see, shutter plate take picture slowly, little bit. Now we decrease our shutter speed below to 1 by 4 second. As you can see, shutter plate works slowly, and now we decrease shutter speed below to 1 by 4 and we set it to 2 seconds. Now we take picture. As you know, we have discussed about shutter speed. We will discuss that shutter speed is basically how much time you will give your camera to take picture. It means that my shutter speed is 2 seconds. It means I am giving 2 seconds my camera to take picture, and it means that I am taking picture and camera take 2 seconds. Hope you understand about shutter plate and how it works. Now we take some picture to teach you how you take picture in this duration of 2 seconds or 4 setting of shutter plate. So we attach our lens and now we take some picture. Here you can see our object, and now I am changing some setting of ISO. I am decreasing my ISO because my shutter speed is 2 seconds, and aperture, I am set my aperture at 5.6. So I am taking a picture in this duration of 2 seconds. As you can see, my picture is very bright and not too much sharp. My picture is blurred because I give my camera 2 seconds to take picture, and in this duration my hand little bit shake. So if you take a clear photo, so you kept your camera at any place, so that in 2 seconds your camera will not move or shake, and your picture will bright, clear and sharp. Now you can see my picture is little more sharp but not too much clear, because I keep my hand under the lens and my hand will little bit more shake, so that's why our picture is not too much clear. So what we do, we keep our camera on this table and now we take picture. Yes, as you can see, our picture is clear, background is blurred. In this way you can take bright and clear photo with decreasing your shutter speed. And now I will teach you how to take long exposure photo in dark mode. How to take picture in dark mode with decreasing your shutter speed. So our object is our object. Now what you have to do? We have downloaded this wallpaper from Google, and we use this wallpaper as our background, and now I am taking my picture at 2 seconds. And how we take and another way how it possible to take this background with long exposure, so let me tell you. As you can see, my wallpaper behind our object, and we rotate our mobile in this way. And I am during this rotating of mobile, I am giving my camera 2 seconds to take picture. Here you can see our shutter speed at 2 seconds, and now I am taking a picture. Yes, hit, rotate. Yes, as you can see, our object wallpaper. Long exposure actually mean long time, you have to give long time your camera to take picture. I give 2 seconds my camera to take picture, and in 2 seconds my friend rotate mobile in background, and my camera will capture this rainbow light, and you can see result. Our picture is too much clear. Background is very clear, bright, and looking very professional. So in this way you can take long exposure photos I am clicking another photo. Now we take another photo with a other background to teach you how to tell long exposure photos. So now my friend helped me to take this picture. You use the external light if or another accessory which is possible. So as you can see, my shutter speed is 2 seconds, ISO is 200 and aperture is 5.6. Now I am taking picture. So you will rotate the phone. You have to do in this way behind your background. Now I am turning off the light. Now I am taking picture. Yes, as you can see. As you can see out this picture, my background is very bright, clear, and our object is very sharp and looking professional. You can use this background. You download this background from Google, and if you have any external light or other accessory, you have to take this picture by using any object which you want. Here is our last picture, and here we change our background. You can see picture is clear and looking professional. In this way you can take long exposure photos by simple decreasing your shutter speed. I hope you understand about the shutter plate and shutter speed and how to take picture and how to take long exposure picture. Now I have changed my object and now my object is a mobile phone, torch of my mobile phone, and my friend making heart from this torch. Will please make a heart in this way. Yes. Now I am taking picture from my camera of this heart. Suhail, please make a heart. Yes, as you can see, my friend make a heart, and I give my camera 2 seconds to take picture, and in 2 seconds my camera take this picture of heart. Now Suhail, please make any alphabet. Now my friend making M. Yes, as you can see. Alphabet M. In this way you can take clear, sharp and unique unique photos by long exposure. Simply decrease your shutter speed, decrease your ISO, because we have a shoot in dark mode, so we don't need to increase our ISO. And in today's video I have talk about only shutter speed. So this is a way to take long exposure photos. I hope you like our fourth video. Thanks to watch and stay tuned with us. Thank you for watching.